big, Joe. I'm telling you. Y'all boys are gonna be set.
Okay. I'm ready when you are. It's recording.
You want to test the Oh, dude, you can't look any more than a dad in like a hard ass with a sippy cup and like. Apparently, when you have so much frequent flyer miles at Starbucks, they give you this little plastic fucking thing.
Oh yeah.
It's just a cup with a lid on it. Like I'm gonna drink out that fucking thing.
Save the world, man.
Yeah, bro.
All right, there you go.
Drink out of a plastic cup.
Yep.
Like how I left my magazine for my pistol in there, but my pistol's in the Mustang.
Can't afford for some apparently. I guess you get the munchies.
I'll throw kisses at him. You know what I mean? Fucking, let's go. Let's do this. And we do gotta stop at the gas station because she is low. Like a penny over.
Oh, I love that. That's when I go to number 2 because that's my golden birthday.
I hate you for loving that
I love that.
now. That's the most irritating shit. Thanks, Biden. 10 gallons, or 10 gallons is $40, and eighth of a tank. Bro, we're doing good.
Yeah. So yesterday we brought the 500 to.
He told me he drove it. I was like, I'll be damned.
Yeah.
16 whopping miles.
Basically.
I can't wait for that car to hit 1,000. I want to be the one to put 1,000 on it just to piss him off. I've had a lot of cars. I've had a lot of trucks. I've had a lot of vehicles. I've had a lot of cool shit too. By far, bar none. This is probably my, besides the Camaro, this is probably my most favorite driver I've ever had in my life. I've had a lot of cool drivers like hot rods, sports cars, shit like that. This is my most favorite driver I've ever had, is this truck. This thing is awesome, dude. It's so unpredictable. Truck is gonna get sus F-150.
I like
you don't
that.
know what the fuck you're about to get yourself into, guy. What's the welds what you got the welds on there for? Looks? Maybe. Or is it actually because it's dangerous?
That's pretty cool.
Wow. That's where you had into the fucking the video. The Among Us little.
Oh yeah.
Then you just pop a little red dude up. It says imposter. Facts. Like when you look down and you peg the speedo at 120 and it takes like 10 seconds to come off 120 after the pull.
Yeah.
You look back and there's a set of seats back there. You're like, dude, you shouldn't be doing this in something this damn big.
Yeah.
Because you shouldn't be. It's Ford created a monster when they brought out the Gen 3 Coyote, man. Like, you know me and my brother. That's why we always get in arguments about that. Like, my brother's like pro Chevrolet, like fuck a Ford.
LS3.
Yeah, you know, LT4's God, LS this, LS that. Like I said in my last videos, I'm the kind of guy that can respect both and can understand that one's making more power than the other because of X, Y, and Z.
Yep.
The LS motors are going to make more torque. Why? In-block cam, bigger cylinder. Mod motors are going to make, if not the same, if not more horsepower than the LS motor because it's modulated and it's efficient as all hell, especially when you put boost pressure on top of them.
Mm-hmm.
Nitrous, I'm not one to ever put nitrous on a Coyote or any mod motor for that matter. You can make good power on them, absolutely, but they gravitate toward the boost. But I definitely recommend someone, if they're a very hardcore brand humper toward one or the other, just sit back and go, like, do your research, man. They're both good engines. The Coyote, you got to give them their thumbs up where they deserve their thumbs up. And yes, there's downfalls to a Coyote too. They're very fucking expensive to build. And holy crap, look at the back wheel on that thing. Damn.
I think he's beached.
That thing was mini tubbed, my man, on welds.
Man.
It's dangerous out here in Weatherford today, dude. Holy crap, I'm gonna go take this truck home. And the same instance goes back with the LS motor. You gotta give them their thumbs up, and you've also gotta give them their thumbs down where they're dog shit too. So it goes both ways. You just gotta, you know, who do you wanna, you know, give the credit to? I personally like giving credit to both. I personally like to give thumbs down to both when they have ass cheeks issues with their engines. So Me personally, if I put it all in layman's terms, I'm gonna dedicate myself to a Chevrolet and a Ford, no matter what. I will give Dodge credit where their credit is due. They do make a lot of power in a very big platform and a very big car. And that's all I really can say about Dodge.
So, if you like both, then why do you have more Fords than Chevys?
John? Because Chevrolets, well, I mean, no, that'd be an inaccurate statement. Chevrolet's and Fords are about equally as expensive.
I was about to say, yeah, I knew you were gonna do that.
I mean, today's standard, me personally, I don't like the new generation LS motors, the LT shit. I'm not a fan of them. I stopped on my Chevrolet trend on the LS7 days. Like, the LS7 to me is still the daddy. I'm sorry, that's while my Camaro's got the race variant of an LS7. That will always and always forever will be the bad boy of LS motors. The LT shit's just I'm just not into them. You know, I'm not up to speed with them. I mean, granted, yeah, I've seen LT motors, like I just said in the video for the viewers to go do. Yeah, go do your research. They can do. Yeah, they can. I'm just not into that generation. It would be no different from like you telling your granddad your big block 454 is a piece of shit. My LS is better, and he's like, sit down, you little homo. Let me tell you a story about these big blocks, and you're like, oh damn, those things are bad. So, $400 fucking later,
because we love it.
Fuck that car, John. I'm about to turn my fucking Camaro into like
you
Jose's.
might not. Well, I like it because it's like an uncle
box
situation. Like, you own it, but you know, I like it because I don't.
Oh, you live it vicariously through me.
Yeah.
I see. Yeah, it's like babysitting my kid. I'll babysit her. She's cute and adorable all day long. She ain't staying here. You know?
So well, just like you and the 350.
Yeah. You know what? That's Jose's kid. Damn. Oh my God, town is booming, brother.
One of my things that I do want to own is the first Transformers movie, that Camaro. I've yet to see.
73?
No, before, like after that, but when it was like the new era of Camaro.
The Vision.
Yes, but in that color, I've yet to see.
Banana yellow?
Yes.
God no, dude. That is. I'd rather have Synergy green like Weedle's car.
Nope.
Before I had yellow. That's like saying I want a C6Z06 Corvette. Oh, cool. What color? Yellow. No.
Why not?
Okay, I know red is a sore thumb sticking out like everywhere you go.
But you haven't seen yellow, or the yellow with the pearl on it. I really like the yellow.
Pearl yellow.
Yep. Just like what they had in the movie.
You need to get your color palette a little spruced up than that. 10 seconds.
So that's what you do when you
Pearl
don't answer.
yellow?
Yeah, just like what they had it in the movie. I really like that. With the stripes.
You make my fucking head hurt. Is Jose's brain worm getting into yours or something, or?
No, it's something different.
No, yeah,
you never see that shit.
It's fucking different, all right. Pearl yellow.
Or whatever they have in the movie. Yes.
That's fucking yellow.
Yeah.
With black stripes. Blech. Nope.
Yep. And just have exhaust and just have it like that.
I will immediately have that car wrapped overnight while you don't know. I'm not even playing.
Well, if you do a wrap, then the graphics under it you can see, you know, through.
I'll put a dick and balls in it for you. I don't care. It ain't getting yellow. Blech.
Really?
In fact, I love a C6Z06. Used to be my dream car. Hell, I love a C6 ZR1. If they gave me one in yellow, I'd give it back.
Really?
Yes.
So you just hate yellow.
I loathingly hate anything green. Weedle's car's finally grown on me. Anything yellow and anything bronze, brown, champagne. It's the color of shit.
No, shit's brown.
Bronze, pewter, gold.
Okay.
It's the color of poop, dude.
So my thing is what you just said is you hated green, but Guido's car is going.
Guido's color.
So you tell me there's a chance.
On yellow?
Yeah.
Not even a fucking partial. Nope.
Because you said you did not like green, and it's growing on you. And then I'm gonna add into this, and I'm gonna have the segments. So there is it.
The day you bring a fucking yellow Camaro to my house, I'm gonna burn it.
Nope.
Have a s'mores party on top of that thing.
I'm gonna say, so there's a chance that you're gonna like it.
So you're telling me there's a chance?
Yes. And I'm gonna have that.
That would be hilarious. I say hangovers. I never get hungover, but I mean, I didn't actually. I behaved only. I think I had like 9, 8 yesterday.
That's a lot.
Not really.
Yeah.
Dog, no. I'm a 30 rack kind of guy.
Stop it.
I know you
Yeah.
are.
So fucking 8-pack ain't dog shit for me.
With me, when I have a cigar,
Cigar, sir.
no. I have 2 old fashions.
So you drink like Ryan, dude. Put that shit on the rocks, homie.
Yeah. It's nice.
I just can't. I don't know. I can't. My body can't do liquor. Like it can't.
My body cannot do beer, or seltzer, or cider beer. Nothing.
Liquor will give me a fucking hangover. Hardcore hangover. Like
Well,
I'm
that's
talking
when
like
you
I
drink
want to
the
wake up the next
bottle.
day and die.
You don't need to drink the bottle.
What are you drinking? What are you drinking liquor for? To taste it? That's the reason why I don't drink liquor. I drink beer not to taste it. It tastes like shit. What I'm drinking it for, I'm getting fucking shit housed.
So you'd rather do 30 versus
30
2 glasses.
Rack, 2 glasses, bro. See, it's kind of like the 650. Once you open the fucking bottle, it's got to get finished.
Yeah.
Once you open that can of beer, it ain't gonna just drink itself. So therefore, you're getting white girl wasted. I can just, I don't know, we'll see what traffic looks like when I go to this fucking hill.
Yeah.
Shit looks heavy. Won't be long. Yeah, big trucks shouldn't do that.
I did like the whine because a lot of trucks.
Without skipping a fucking beat back to this.
Yeah. Well, with some Whipples.
Well, this truck's louder
Superchargers-
because it's got a blower mod on it.
Okay,
Yeah,
I
put
like
the,
that
it's
sound.
got the, yeah. Because like Chris's truck, you can't hear the blower.
That's what I hate.
Yeah.
I hate that.
Hey, see, and that's when I put the blower on the truck, it's only making, because that pull we were doing, it peaked up like 10.5 pounds of boost. It stayed consistently between 9.5 and 10 pounds of boost.
Mhm.
So when I first put the blower on the truck, I'm like, dude, you can't even, all you hear was that pterodactyl's asshole back,
Yeah.
just straight getting it. You couldn't hear the blower. It was like a little soft
Yeah.
faint. I'm like, dude, no. I did not just pay 10 grand to hear no blower.
Yeah.
And everybody's like, oh, that makes it so much nicer. Yeah, I'm not 60 yet, buddy. I like to hear a blower, damn it.
Yeah, and exhaust.
So I did the blower mod where I stuck pretty much a piece of rubber hose, the fitting on it. Everybody could, that is a liked or a hated mod. Everybody's like, oh, that's about the fucking gayest thing I've ever seen anybody do. Yeah, I like to hear supercharged.
I really like that,
voices.
yeah.
I'm sorry, call me a cheeky fuck. I like to hear a supercharger.
Mhm.
Everybody's like, oh, that's fucking so stupid. I'm glad you have an opinion, but I like the blower noise. So when I put that on there, you now hear the shit out of the blower. And I'm like, yeah, more. Like, wow, this thing just did a
It'll probably even
$130 like that
probably feels even
in
faster.
Mexico. Look at that. Look at that. Look who showed up.
Oh, perfect time.
Oh, man. Look at him.
Yeah, I'm gonna take this.
Yeah. Look who decided to join the chat, boys.
Cody.
Yeah. Look at that. Look at the new rims. Look at the new rims. Check him out.
He's
Check
like,
him
"No, no."
out, boys. Look at them new shoes. Go get him an interview, Tom.
Okay. And their GoPro. Well, hello. You know, just doing content stuff.
Yeah.
So, I'm about to look at the new wheels, since we're very, very happy about.
Yeah.
Like that.
Makes the metallic plate pump a little bit.
It does. I do like that. Right. Perfect timing. We just got back from O'Reilly's.